Vegan white chocolate cranberry fudge. Now I have my chocolate baking chips in there. I want mine really, really white, so I'm using the bright white baking chips, but you can just use regular white chips if you want also. So I've got those and my sweetened condensed milk here. And I'm gonna microwave this until it melts, stirring every 30 to 45 seconds. All right, I'm gonna stir and see where we're at. Oh, and I forgot to put in my butter. Boop. And this is optional, but I've been adding just a titch of salt in all of my fudge recipes because salt makes everything taste so much better. Okay, I'm gonna heat this up just a bit more. Now you stir in between each addition so that your chocolate does not burn. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 2, something, where'd it go? Page 315. All right, now I've got my cranberries. I just happen to have this open bag, so I'm gonna stir those in first. I'm sure I'll need more, especially for the decoration on top. Always use your open bags of stuff before you use the unopened for freshness qualities. Okay, for freshness and quality, I guess is how I want to say it. Oh my goodness. Now, I know I should probably just put some nuts or something in there, but I used ChatGPT to tell me what are the most searched Christmas candies, and it said just white cranberry fudge. So if you want to add almonds or walnuts or pecans, oh yum, all of those would be delicious. I have never done this variation before, so break up all of my cranberries, sprinkle them along the top here. Okay, set this in the refrigerator, let it set up, and then we will cut it. Ooh, yum. All right, I got my cranberry, my white chocolate cranberry fudge. Oh, yum. Look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. Wow. Okay. Going to cut this. Oh, wow. Okay, I've never tried this before. Oh, that is really good. It's like the sweet, it's like a sweet tart. Oh, I love this. All right, new favorite.